Boom, this is gonna be possibly the best bulalo I have ever eaten outside of Tagaytay.
I'm very, very excited to try this.
Okay guys, this is looking, smelling and tasting like a legit bulalo. My first bulalo.
Oh, that is really good.
Oh, it's so good. But is it a bulalo though?
Today we are attempting to cook bulalo for the very first time at home, and I'm currently here at Legazpi Sunday Market to get some ingredients for the bulalo soup, and I think I already spotted a few things that I can use, but let's see what we can find. Let's see how it will turn out. It's going to be definitely an exciting day for us, trying our homemade bulalo. I just need some veggies here, so I'm very happy to be back in Makati at our favorite market here. Just love coming here, seeing the variety of fish, fresh fish. Ooh, wow, that's a big one. Here we are at the veggie section. Hello, do you know which veggies I need for bulalo?
For bulalo,
Potato?
yes. Ombok.
Ombok, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one. And I think I also saw corn in bulalo. One? Just one, just one. What else did I have here? Leek?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, one. Thank you. Oh, and I think I need garlic.
How many pieces?
3. Thank you.
And this one? Onion?
3.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
2.
2. Yeah, 2 is enough. Yes, I'm just getting a little bit of guidance here at the market. Always good to ask the locals. I think that's okay. Maybe one
Carrots?
carrot. Do you put that in bulalo? No.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll take carrots as well.
How many pieces?
2. Thank you. Awesome. Okay, bulalo ingredients are secured. We just need a beef shank and bone with a marrow inside, hopefully. Yeah, Mike is already here at the curator at our old coffee neighborhood spot. Hello! Hi! We're back! We missed you too!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Ooh, we miss you.
Ooh, are you trying the slushy?
Yeah, try it.
Yeah?
No.
Good? Is there any alcohol inside?
No.
No?
I think there is.
Somebody started cooking!
Yes. I started preparing the bulalo. I seared the meat and I put in the garlic and everything. And there's a much higher meat to water ratio because we don't have any beef stock. So I'm just making beef stock
Yeah.
while I'm making the bulalo. So a slight deviation from the recipe, but it's always good to make it your own. I think as long as we have the base ingredients, we should be good to go. As I've been low and slow simmering this bulalo cut meat with some carrots, some garlic and some onion. And now we're going to chop up the other veggies. I just added some Philippine fish sauce and some salt and pepper. So still need to season to taste, but I'm gonna add some more carrots that are gonna be like more carrots, more like chunky carrots and not so soft boiled because they gave off their flavor to the broth. And then I'm gonna put in all the other condiments as well. This is exciting, our very first bulalo.
Okay, so the cookbook that we actually got is from Amboy, Filipino American. He has a few restaurants, I think in LA, right?
Yeah, I think
Or
so.
just in general in the US.
Everywhere. He's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, he has a lot of restaurants. He's a big businessman. I mean, he's not.
Mike, okay, stop it. You're making it worse.
His business. He has a great business.
You're making it worse.
He has a great business, but he is a big boy, which is okay.
It says even here.
You know what? I always say, never trust a thin cook. JP's ripped. I trust him. He's a friend.
So Mike is preparing the
cabbage.
The cabbage?
Or as the French would say, the cabbage.
Oh, really?
No. So we're adding some cabbage into the broth is so delicious.
Yeah.
I tried it already. I put some Filipino fish sauce in there.
Nice.
And then I removed the bones. Not because I don't want bones in my soup, but I hollowed out the bone marrow and I made Nelly and myself a bone marrow sourdough loaf, which was
Sourdough bread slice.
so good.
Not a whole loaf.
Not a whole loaf. So this goes in here. Boom. This is gonna be possibly the best bulalo I have ever eaten outside of Tagaytay.
Well, this is our first attempt to make it at home, so I'm very, very excited to try this. We've been craving some bulalo for some time.
Especially because we've been eating rather like hefty, fatty things lately.
Yeah.
Saying in the past week or past 10 days. And this is one of the Filipino dishes that I crave so much because they are delicious and they are healthy. Okay guys, this is looking, smelling and tasting like a legit bulalo. I really like it. I'm quite proud of myself. It is very, it is quite thick. It has a lot of ingredients inside, so it's a meat fest. There's a meat fest going on. I think this is going to be so delicious. Let's try and dish it up at least as traditional as possible.
Yeah? I think the cabbage was supposed to be on top.
No, but I've had it many times and with the cabbage inside like that, it tastes so good.
Okay, I trust you.
Yeah. We always have it like this. But like for us, it's so meaty. Look how meaty it is. Mike likes his meat.
Yes.
You give yourself just tummy rubs.
Because I need my tummy rubs. That's the one thing that I do every day. Tummy rubs.
Every day I
so
tummy
good.
rub.
Best tummy rub. But the best thing are tummy rubs.
Peanut would beg to differ. Peanut does not enjoy tummy rubs. She hates. It's like it's like the zone where she will destroy you if you touch.
Tummy rubs. Tummy rubs.
She does not appreciate tummy rubs.
He's going to bite me.
Don't bite me. You rabid, feline, fickle friend.
Look at your leg. What's going on here?
Okay, we're ready to serve. I feel like we need to have like Enya music. Do 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 do. This is amazing. My first bulalo. Look at that. Now we're just missing the 20 other people that are supposed to share this with us. But it's ECQ and we're alone.
Alone. The dog. Make us dishing up. Thank you, my dear. By the way, has anybody watched The Good Doctor? Comment down below. You've been enjoying it lately?
Alright, Nelly. Am I right under the assumption that you have not tried the broth?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
Here is your bulalo.
Thank you.
So before you leave commentary on your experience, please just be aware that I've been cooking this for 4 hours.
I know that you're a good cook. You already tried it. I also tried the bone marrow, which was delicious, so I'm pretty sure it's delicious as well. Oh, that is really good. Let me get some beef. It's very hot. Ooh, the beef looks tender. Oh, that is the taste of home. That is really good.
But is it a bulalo though?
I think it is.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it is.
Close enough?
It's really close enough.
Do you feel like you're in Tagaytay with the fresh Tal volcano air breeze pulling through your hair?
Almost.
Almost. Okay, that's close. That's good enough.
Good enough for being in quarantine, so. Yeah, it's really good. Yes.
Let's try this.
Happy?
Very happy. Oh, it's so good. Like the meat, it's so tender and the broth is so flavorful. It's taken off the richness of the beef bones. It's taken on the bone marrow and then that beefy, wonderful flavor paired with the saltiness of the fish sauce. Oh yeah, this is lovely.
Okay. For everybody who wants to get some of this, will be available on GrabFood very soon.